Welcome CNG 132 to Wednesday morning. Um, I didn't put on the picture. I forgot I had this changed for another video. So let's see. We go to D2L, log in. We log in. We go to our class. And in case you guys didn't know, if you search for your class and then click on the pen button, your pen changes from clear to a filled-in color, and then those classes that you have pinned float to the top so that you can see them more easily than having to hunt for them. As you see, these are all the classes I'm teaching this semester. So let's go to our class. I forgot to click that. So CNG 132 had a few emails. Course materials, content. I posted one check-in video. Like I said, make sure to watch these videos. I do try to keep them very short and concise. I had a few emails about 1.1 and it's starting. If it is, so right there, I do have, go to settings, oops, accept. Hooray, you guys are at 93%. So at settings, here's my Gmail account. The same account's connected to my Google Hangouts. So like I said, on the weekend, feel free to join me. If you have any issues, remember they get sent to my phone. If I'm at home, I'll hop on my computer real quick. If I'm out and about, I will definitely try to help you walk through your problems. Content settings. And then we go to pop-ups. It always takes me a little bit to find the pop-ups. PDF, handlers. There we go. Pop-ups. On my account, I have it just allowed. Chrome is the only, I should say I only use Chrome here at school because I know that they have a specific version of it. But have that to allow. If you're having any trouble, which I've received a few emails saying that it just stays at the login screen, make sure, if you can't do this on a wired network plugin, make sure to do that. Sometimes there might be an issue with Wi-Fi, making sure that this is allowed for pop-ups. And then when you click start the assignment now, it should go right into the assignment. That's why I just do all the pop-ups. Click to start. And when you go through this, I think I have my volume on. I don't hear it. But the guy kind of walks you through the description. If you start to have problems, you can always click the show me, and it gives you the answer. I wouldn't say to get the most out of this class, I would say definitely try to give it a try. If you don't get 100%, and then try the show me after that. But don't shortchange yourself. I do want you to get the most out of this class with discovery at that aspect. So that goes all the way to the end. Then it asks you a few questions, a few multiple select questions, and it should be reading it. I have my volume on. I just don't know why I don't hear it. With the lab connection, it'll always read it to you. With the slides, it'll always read it to you, and I believe that's the point. Things to check. If it's not loading, if it's getting stuck, try uninstalling Chrome and reinstalling it. Scan your system for viruses. If you already have antivirus on there, here's a cool thing. If you have antivirus on there and you think it may be breached already, uninstall it, put on a new antivirus, a different antivirus, and then scan your system. A few free ones out there. Let's see. Malwarebytes, currently free, or you can get a free trial for it. AVG, currently free. Trackman Pro should be free or a limited trial. AWD Cleaner, CCleaner, Super Anti-Malware or Super Anti-Spyware, all free things. So there's a lot of free antivirus out there that you can scan your computer. And remember, your computer only needs one antivirus. So maybe after you scan it with that temporary free one, you put your regular antivirus back on there and get up to speed. And that's about it for this video. Try to follow those tips. If you're still having an issue, make sure you are always sending, if you email me, make sure that you're always sending a caption, short video, a screenshot. Pictures help communicate with me a lot more with what's going on, and then including some description too. That helps me get a clearer picture of what might be happening on your end so I can help you solve that problem. Good Wednesday video. I'll put a couple more this week.